Hello, welcome to Math Gist. In this class, we want to find the value of s from this given equation. S to the power of square root of s is equal to 10. Solution. We have s to the power of square root of s is equal to 10. Then s can be written as square root of s squared to the power of square root of s is equal to 10. Now, if you have a raised to power n to the power of m is equal to a raised to power nm. Then this can be written as square root of s to the power of 2 square root of s is equal to 10. Now let square root of s is equal to y. So this is y to the power of 2y is equal to 10. Let's take the natural log of both sides. We have ln of y to the power of 2y is equal to ln of 10. Then this is 2y ln of y is equal to ln of 10. From here we can introduce Lambert W function. That is, we have w a raised to power a is equal to a. Then from here, from this equation, a is equal to natural log of y. We have the equation 2y ln of y is equal to ln of 10. Let's divide both sides by 2, divided by 2. This will cancel this. Now we have y ln of y is equal to ln of 10 over 2. So let's introduce the function. We have natural log of y e raised to power natural log of y is equal to natural log of 10 over 2. We introduce w, we have w, then ln of y e raised to power ln of y is equal to w bracket ln of 10 over 2. Then this is, the whole of this is what? Ln of y is equal to w bracket ln of 10 over 2. Now let's introduce e. From this point, we have e ln of y is equal to e to the power of w bracket ln of 10 over 2. And this e will cancel this. We have y is equal to e to the power of w bracket ln of 10 over 2. But y is equal to square root of x, then square root of s is equal to e to the power of w bracket ln of 10 over 2. Now let's square both sides of this equation. We have square root of s square is equal to e to the power of w bracket ln of 10 over 2 or square. This will cancel this, s is equal to e to the power of w bracket ln of 10 over 2 or square. Now, if you press your calculator very well, s will be equal to 3.453. This is the final answer. We can check to confirm if our answer is right or wrong. Let's check. To check, we have the given equation, s to the power of root of s is equal to 10. Then when s is this, we have 3.453 to the power of square root of 3.453 must be equal to 10. Then this is 3.453 to the power of square root of 3.453 is 1.8582 must be equal to 10. Therefore, the left hand side is approximately 10. This is equal to 10, which satisfies the given equation at s is equal to 3.453. Before you leave, like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye.